Hi guys, this is Vince. Thanks for joining me today, and today I'm going to show you how to save a ton of time staining your deck rails. It's a trick I learned about 20 years ago, and I wish I would have learned it 30 years ago because I spent a lot of time doing it the wrong way. So normally you go to the store, you get your stain and you get a paintbrush, and you dip a little bit in the stain and you go along, kind of do that, but do that side, do this side, do that side. You gotta reach through, try to get this other side. So just a lot of tedious work, and kind of being very careful not to drip and not get too much on your brush. So enough of that. You're gonna make yourself crazy. It takes forever to do a section. So here's the big tip. So before I get into that, this is the stain I use, and it's the CWF. It's great, and I like to just use the natural clear. And the reason why I've used this for many years is it doesn't build up like the other ones. So every year you should stain your deck. If it's a hot climate, it'll dry out. In Portland, Oregon, it's very rainy, so you got to keep that in great shape, otherwise it's going to rot out. This deck is 20 years old, and it still looks great. So here's the big trick. So I'm sure you have some of these laying around. An old sock, get yourself gloves. And you think, come on Vince, what is a sock gonna do? How is that gonna change my life? An old sock. All right, get your sock on. Just dip it in, kind of wipe the back side back into the can. There you go. So you've got a good blob of stain on there. And then you just kind of go. Let's see. I'll do a couple there. You just wrap your hand around. So basically I'm wrapping around the back side and pulling it. So I've got right there, I did all 4 sides. So I got 3 sides, that. 3 sides here. All 3 sides in there. So there you go. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rails in about 30 seconds. So old sock, change your life. It's a game changer, I'm telling you. And you can see that's fall colors. You don't want to spend your fall days staining your deck every weekend. This is just really quick. And get out there, enjoy the new season, and we will talk to you later and see you next time. All right, bye-bye.